Hello, and welcome back to another episode of Python Data Engineer Interview Prep. I gathered this information from Glassdoor, and let's look into the problem statement. Given two password arrays, password array 1 and array 2, where array 1 is the list of passwords previously used and array 2 is the list of passwords that are to be queried. Return the array indexes representing the time when passwords in the array 2 was last used. Note that the password is considered to be used if its anagram exists in the password of array 1. So this is the example they provided. So this is one list with the p1, and this is the array of password with array 2 or p2. Now we need to find the last time the passwords were used. So if you see here, and the password is considered to be used if the anagram exists. And in the array 2, if you see LEAN, lean, and this anagram of lean exists in array 1 at first index or index 1. So this is used at index 1 here, and that's the output. And if you see here L dawn, that will be NODL here, which will be at index 2. And the third one is loop, and which is the again polo here in the array 1, which is at index 0. So now we need to just convert all the words here into the anagram, at least for p1, and then maintain that in the dictionary with a key, and the value will be the index. And in the next iteration we can convert the same p2 to a anagram and check if that one exists in p1. If it exists, we can just append that index to the answer. So let's see how the code looks like. I'll start with the first dictionary for p1, and this will be the output. This is the output for the list of indexes. I'll start with that ANS. I'll just say for I in range of, I'll start with p1. So I'll just say some temporary variable. What I'll do is, so even before that, I'll just say sorted of I. So if I say sorted of I, that will be giving, let's print here. That will be in the list here. That's where like I have to join, but let's see the output after this step. P1 of I. If you see here, this one is in the sorted order, but since we used a sorted, that will be a list here. So I need to just use a join here. Dot join. Let's run this one more time. And this is the sorted order for that I. Now what I'll be doing here is, I'll just append that to the dictionary. D of T is equal to, I'll put the index for that one, I. Let's see how the dictionary looks like. So if you see here, loop will be at index 0. This is the sorted order, and this is index 1 and this is index 2. Now the same thing I'll be doing for P2. So for P2, for I in P2, I'll just again define a temporary variable and sort I here from P2. I'll just print how the T looks like here. This is not P205, this is just I here. Yeah, if you see here, lean, I'll also print D here. If you see AELN exists in dictionary here, which is from the P1. So if it exists, all we have to do is extract that value here. So if T in D, I'll just append that ANS append d of t. So d of t, which will be 1 here. If it doesn't exist, so here in this case, dl and the third one will be this one. The fourth one, the tire, it's not there in the dictionary of P1, so it will not be extracted. So after the iterations, we have to just return ANS. And this is the expected output, what we got here. Yeah, this is very simple and straightforward question here. Thank you for watching this video.